welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new, you know it's your girl Sham, and today I'm back again with another video. So for today's video for you guys, her name is Isa. She's all the way from Colombia.
Yeah, all the way to Colombia. This is Sham, and now we're here. I don't know how I ended up here, but I'm here and I'm happy. She said we're gonna go to the river, cook, and that's my kind of speed, you know. I love it.
I know, now they already food. So yeah, we're going to go in the supermarket now to get some food and we're going to go on the riverside and go cook and thing. Alright guys, so today the dal look for mackerel and rice. The girls the hot girl go eat mackerel and rice on the river because somebody requested it. And you know we're not too good for that. So we're gonna eat mackerel and rice. That one's small though. This what is
no, I'm just sure.
She's showing me what it
mackerel.
is.
Oh.
Listen, I'm down. You don't gotta.
Do you guys eat anything like this?
Yeah, I mean, I don't even know what this is. I'm trying
It's
to
like
figure out.
it's fish.
Like, but just like canned
Yeah,
fish.
like a canned
Okay,
fish.
yeah, so yeah. I know what it is. Yeah, it's fine. I'm down. Listen.
It's canned fish and like tomato sauce.
A big one.
Let me look to make sure I'm gonna take out this. Guess who can't eat spicy nothing now? We can't eat nothing spicy.
My
But
stomach.
now she can't eat
guys,
spicy.
so
So
Latina said she don't eat spicy food.
No,
That's weird.
it's-
That's weird.
Listen, in my defense, I really don't have one, but my stomach doesn't tolerate spicy. You know, I go in the toilet and I be listen.
I think in a supermarket in a towel because I buy my shorts and I wear it for wearing. Me never know say I saw my bottom swallow the whole of the shorts. I come out of the house and I walk. I just hear clap. When I look at my booty cheek outside, I'm gonna feel good. If I walk up and down on the road like that. You know my guy like that? I'm gonna walk up and down on the road like that. So I'm gonna make fun of my towel in a supermarket. You're bathing too, you ready? We're ready for the water, we're not even reach it.
You don't gotta. We haven't even reached, and I'm ready.
Let's get out of the road. Come on, high road. Hi.
I feel like you know what? I like it here. Like it feel like paradise. Like it's giving like I don't know. Like I feel like I'm in a Moana movie.
Okay. Alright guys, so we reach the river. We don't know how we get down there because we don't know the walkway. We're up on the road and we'll try to get down there. I'm gonna see the walkway. Let me see. All know I'm gonna see the walk. Well, I'm swan track here. I don't know if I'm over there. Yeah. I found the way. Whenever I ask somebody, hello. Me and my friends going by the river over there. Yeah, we will. Thank you. Oh, they're so sweet. It's like an elderly couple. They're so sweet. We made it down. It wasn't a far walk. They're really close by the road. This is gonna be definitely one spot where we bring guests. Like, this is love it. I hope them not gonna take over my place because they saw I do video down here. But yeah.
doesn't know how to cook. Okay. Not to put you out there like that. Don't worry. It's
No,
just
they know I don't know how to cook.
it's just a running joke on my channel because I hate cooking.
Oh.
Like I know to do my 1-2, but I hate cooking, so they're always like, Mel needs to cook, and I'm like, always pushing it off on other people.
Well, you know, I'm like the
So-
kid. I'm like the kid. When it's time to swim, that's me.
Yeah, best
Literally, I don't come to like cook because I don't know how.
Man, put this up there.
We promise. It's gonna be a
Man, try to light the fire fair. I'm gonna see me a lighter right now. Or maybe I should catch it. May I try to catch a coal?
Mother Nature did it.
So we're gonna make Isa cut up the seasoning first. Come here. Come. So
Damn, no, please. I don't want no more humiliation.
no, I'm not humiliating.
Okay.
So we're gonna make it cut up the seasoning first. So like it's like the onion, the sweet pepper and stuff.
Okay.
And then
What else?
we take it from there. After that, it's pretty much done.
So wait, we gotta like cut this up?
Yeah, so we're gonna wash them, we'll peel this and wash them, and then we'll cut them up small.
Okay.
And then we're gonna put them in a little oil.
Yeah, you know what's crazy? You got me cutting this. I don't even know how to grab this thing to cut. Like, how do you cut this?
I'll show you. Like, it's like everybody does it differently, so
Right.
you can't mess it up. Like
Okay.
everybody does it differently.
Oh
Yeah,
my
so
goodness. Yo, I'm scared.
don't be like. You're gonna cut the top and the
Okay.
bottom, cut it off, and then you're gonna just peel right off.
Wait, so you say cut this? I don't even know how to cut this.
Just take your time. Yeah, and peel it off.
Can I just put it with my hands?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god, I'm being judged already. What am I doing here, y'all? Yo, you guys really got me doing something I don't do.
That's good.
That's-
the viewers are gonna
I like to try new things,
Yeah.
but I don't know if I want to try this as a new thing.
And then you just cut there.
I cut it or I can take it off?
You can cut it. It's gonna be hard to take it off.
Yo, my grandma gonna be so proud of me. Okay, now what? Can I throw it in here?
No, put it there. And then we
Okay.
just go wash this now.
Oh my goodness!
Watch out! Wait. It's a little water.
Okay. Guys,
Just
I'm
rub
really,
them.
I'm in my Jamaican era.
Island girl.
Island, yeah. Okay.
Alright, just wash them out. Just pour the water off.
Poured it out. There we go.
Cut it in half.
Cut it like half in the middle.
Just all the way
Let me sit
down.
down. Let me really sit down. At least I know how to grab the knife, I think. That would be actually very embarrassing.
Just cut it all the way through.
Can I just cut this off?
Yeah, you could do that.
Yo, like I said, my granny gonna be so proud. She don't even understand what I'm saying, but as long as she sees it, she gonna believe it. Now do I take the guts out?
Yeah.
See, I know
It
you.
knows something.
You know something.
Not really, not really. Oh my goodness, why is this knife so sharp? Like I feel like it's gonna cut me instead.
Take your time.
Just be careful with
Now,
You cut this part out, just let us cut it out.
oh okay. Oh my goodness, she really teaching me how to Sham, at least I'm gonna know how to do this, okay?
Yeah.
And it's gonna be all because of you. Hey, you serve the purpose. When I go home, I'll be like, Mom, I'm gonna cook rice for you, Mom. I can throw it? Like that?
Yeah.
Oh my
Look at
god. Look at me.
Good.
Oh,
That's good.
That's okay.
okay.
And then you hold it together, and then
Okay.
you cut it the top. You cut horizontally though.
What do you mean?
Well, probably put
Just
it
cut
down.
it.
Yeah. So hold it down
Yeah.
and just cut it like that. Yeah.
Like
Yeah.
little squares?
So,
Yeah.
Okay. So this is part of cooking?
Yeah. That's the most important part, guys. That's the part that
I mean, I've done this. I can be a wife now, y'all. The only thing, that's the only trait I'm missing.
Oh.
Learn how to cook.
Yeah.
Everything else I got. These two? Jesus.
No.
What?
Oh, you
Did you watch it throw the whole onion in there?
I need to grab it because I can't. There.
and just slice down. And just make slices down. Not so big though. Just start.
Like that?
Yeah. You can make sure it goes all the way through.
Okay. This is like real Jamaican, huh? Like people come to the river to cook.
Yeah.
I'm invited to the cookout. But she's doing good, y'all.
So far, so good.
Am I? Are y'all lying?
No, we're not lying.
She said no, we're not.
No.
Okay. Nice.
But you know what would have been fire?
Yeah.
If she came on a camping trip.
Yeah, that I was trying to get her.
I I wanted to,
But
but
then she said,
the thing is though, tomorrow I gotta go to like Ocho Rios. So that's why I was like, I was actually gonna go do the camping with you. But next time I come, we can.
Yeah, for sure.
That's always the next time. If I do it all now, it will be like,
Yeah.
I want nothing to do. Now, how do I
Good to
slice
hear.
this?
cut hair off.
Cut the little hair off?
You can give it to the fishes. And then you
Give it to the
slice.
fishes?
Then you
Now
slice
you're
it.
gonna throw the tomato in the bottom too?
No, you don't have to cut that part. Just,
In the middle?
yeah. And then you cut it just like how you cut the rest of them. You dice it.
Guys, why they
Just
got
be
me
careful.
iron? Oh shit.
Did you cut yourself?
No. Oh, I did.
Wait,
A little bit.
Okay. Alright. I'll finish that part.
Ah, shit! I was really in my element. I was really in my vlogging, cooking era. Look at this. Yo, look, you can tell the experience. Look at this. Compared to me. She would have been done in like 2 seconds. She definitely got experience with this cooking stuff. And then there's me moving all slow and things like.
No, but you gotta learn somehow, so
Yeah.
that's part of the process. That's part of it.
Yo. Well, next time I seen that she does a lot of like camping videos. Next time, whenever I do come out here, I will be camping with Sham in there. We're gonna be outside camping. Now we're moving on to the next.
Alright, so we're gonna light the fire. Light the fire and then turn the pot.
So we're gonna light the fire.
Yeah. Oh, that's what I'm feeling.
So we just bought this pole, so we're looking for the pole. Sometimes the pole that we use,
Yeah.
not all of them are good.
Mhm.
So some of them are harder to start.
Okay.
So we're just hoping that these are good ones and we won't have any difficulties.
Well, I'm hoping the same thing. 'Cause
We hungry.
we are indeed hungry. So let's see. She
we
definitely got some experience at this.
We just added some oil to the napkin so
Mhm.
it becomes more flammable. And then we're gonna try and use that to get the coal.
Going.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Now I'm gonna show you how to wash the rice.
What? We gotta wash the rice too?
Yeah. So we're gonna wash the rice
Oh
and
my
then
God.
we'll put it to steam.
Now what? Are we gonna use
Just
all of
open
this?
it. Yeah, I think so.
Can I tear it?
Yeah.
All of it? That's a lot of rice.
Yeah. Probably should have used all of it.
That was a lot. There's only 3 of us. We're making food for like a whole troop.
How much rice is? Just a
I
lot.
think it's 2 pounds.
Just a lot of rice to chew.
You wanna put it back in here?
No, I can't use it for the geeky fishes.
Okay, I'll do it.
For that.
More?
Yeah. That should be good.
That should be good? Okay, now what?
You just wash it like this with your hand. Rub it together.
How do I know when it's done?
The water is gonna get clearer and clearer each time. So we're gonna do it multiple times.
Really?
Yeah.
The water gonna get clear, you said?
It's gonna get clearer and clearer. It's not gonna be like 100% clear, but
Okay.
you just rub it
Rub it out like this.
as hard as you can, just anyway. And
Wait,
then dip your hands in to get off, right? And then you just pour it off.
Ah. We don't want the rice to fall in.
It's not gonna fall out.
Okay.
And then
Now
you go
what?
again. This is what we're done with you. Yeah, proper wife material.
Yeah. I'm a rice maker now. She's a proper wife. That's crazy. I'm not prepared, y'all. I can tell. I'm thinking I'm playing with you. Y'all cannot be serious, you guys. Please. We can do it again? Oh my freaking God, this is how it works over here.
But you see how much stuff comes off of the rice?
Yeah.
That's why you need to wash it.
This water don't seem to be getting clearer.
But it doesn't have to be clear. It's just
Just not as white as it was before.
Well, in the beginning, yeah, it was still white.
Let's go.
Where are we going now?
We're gonna put it on the fire.
Oh. You see, I was like, where are we going, y'all? Okay.
Right for you.
Like right there on top of it? What?
Take your time.
Oh my God. Is that
Alright. Yes, so now you're gonna put like a
good?
salt.
Oh my. Very good.
Oh, forgot to say open. Just sprinkle a little until the ancestral level stop. Alright, I'll tell you when to stop.
I'm scared. Is that good?
Yeah, you can stop now.
Okay.
And then open the.
That's water.
That's butter.
Flavor of the Caribbean.
Margarine.
This whole thing in there?
No, just one.
I'm like, oh my gosh.
Yeah, that's
Oh,
just
okay.
it. And then you're gonna like slice it into like
Little
thinner
pieces.
slices, and then you put it in.
Yo, I'm really good. This is actually good. I'm learning how to make rice. Now somebody asked me, Issa, do you know how to make rice? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Okay, now you said what exactly? Like this or like this?
No. Yeah.
Okay.
A little bit thinner.
Huh? Thinner?
Yeah.
Is that good or thinner?
Yeah, that's good. Put it in.
Oh my goodness, hold
Just
on.
put it in. It's gonna melt anyway.
Oh. Oh no, that's so small.
Right, that's good.
That's good?
Yeah.
Okay. That's it?
And you're gonna stir the pot now.
You gotta stir the pot. What was
Yeah.
This is not melting.
It's okay once the water starts to get hot.
the water is not hot in there, so.
Yo, cooking. I don't know if I like cooking.
And then you cover it. And that's it. So we're gonna wait until
Hey!
let it change. Because we're going in water.
Good girl here, look, you know, like she can.
Stir fry rice, show them, Issa.
Hello, let me start off with. Oh my God, I don't even know how to do it. Hold on. Let's get my head.
Turn right.
There, show them.
Yeah.
Shelly rice.
Yeah.
You're gonna put the pot on. Let me fix this first. And then you put the pot on. To put the pot on here. So, alright, so we wait till that dry out and then we'll put the oil in it.
Like a little bit.
No, some more. Some more. You can put all that stuff in it, I think.
Is that good?
Go till I tell you stop.
You gonna tell me?
Yeah. Okay, that.
Okay.
Alright, because we can't eat no pepper now. So take a piece of the onion and put it in the oil.
In there?
Yeah. So that's gonna get rid of like the oily taste out of the food, because the vegetable oil doesn't really taste good.
Oh.
Yeah, so we'll put something in it just to flavor it a bit.
Okay.
We usually use pepper though.
But you can't have pepper.
Can't have pepper right now.
And Mel don't like pepper?
And Mel don't like pepper. And you don't like pepper.
Here.
Just straight away. And then now you put these in.
Now put these in. All of it?
Yeah, be careful though, because the oil might splash up first.
Okay, I will go slow. Ah!
So you gotta do it all at once.
All at once?
Yeah, if you keep doing it like that. Yes, let's do it all at once.
Yo, I'm in my cooking era. There we go, okay.
So just stir it, no?
Oh yeah.
Inside.
Put it in this.
Yeah. Flash it out. They actually call it flash out because you have to do that to it.
Oh, okay.
There's more in here.
That's a little bit. There we go. Okay.
So you put it right down the center. These are what you take out.
Take out the bones.
Yeah. Can you use a spoon and just take them out? Yeah. You're gonna pour that in.
Maybe with the sauce and everything.
Yeah.
Okay. Wow. Okay.
Stir it. Hold on, let me get the seasoning. A little vinegar, because I put vinegar in it. I don't know about other people who put one little cup full of vinegar in mine. But cut the rawness. Yeah. A quart full of that in it. It's vinegar.
One
White
what?
vinegar. Like a quart full.
Okay. Cover.
And that helps it not to be all raw.
Okay. Oh, honey, yes. You know what? Right.
And you stir it up to your pan.
Okay.
Alright, so now you're gonna add some water. So you add some water to this. And then push it around and throw it in it.
Okay. The last of that sauce. Literally made sauce. Okay, I'm gonna add it to the pot. Alright.
Now you're gonna put a spoonful of ketchup in it.
Ketchup? Like a lot? A spoon?
Yeah.
The whole spoon?
Yeah. Yeah, that's it.
Jesus. I feel like a chef.
You are a chef.
Just a little dash. Really.
More?
Yeah.
That's good?
Yeah.
That's good? Okay. Now stir it.
But you can put some more of that.
Of this one?
Yeah.
Yay!
Can you smell it?
I can.
Does it smell good?
It smells good. It smells like ketchup and all kinds of seasonings. It don't smell like fish. Yo, the mosquitoes are killing me.
Guys, I've made a TikTok. So when I go about TikTok, all my TikTok, and then you see me doing dance, which I can't really dance. To the cook down everything and then
And then we're ready.
yeah.
And then we swim.
And then you cook.
And then I'm a
come.
Now we're ready to go in the water.
Oh, you have to take off your shades. You take the shades off?
No.
See, now it's okay. We say we go for a second.
No shades, if I take the shades off.
So we're going here so first, then we'll go down this one?
Huh?
We're going here so first, then we'll go down this one? Yeah. Oh, look how I fish them. Look how you fish them. Whoa, you water cold, man. Down there so slippery, so I wonder. Yep. It's slippery, I don't know. We have to go probably sit down for my butt and go in. Yeah. Why?
Yes, you got so cool.
Why? It's slippery as hell. What? Weird. What? It's slippery too, like the whole already is so slippery. You just have to go down. So take your time and just sit on your butt and come down.
I think that was like scary. Hold it. Oh my god.
Is this like slippery?
Yeah, it's kind of slippery. It's not that bad. I thought it would be colder, but it's not that bad.
Once you're in it's good.
Look at that.
Slide, come in.
Slide, you gotta slide.
Is he? Sorry.
I don't know.
We don't know what happened to a while ago. Okay, match me weird in store. They never big enough and I just won't be able to sell. You're just like a nose. Alright, we're gonna dip. I'm gonna dip.
I'm a water baby for life.
For life. Oh, the exposure is so crazy. Yeah. Because of the exposure.
Listen, I love it here. This water feels, it was cold at first, but now it's like, I'm good. I can float away.
Be careful because I don't know what down there is like.
I might fall in
Alright, so it's clear. I'm going to be that Your daily part with the sun food is yet. Because we stop at my prescription now, so I'm everywhere, so it's green. I'm after reapply.
Wow. She wanna play mermaid.
Look at this picture of here.
Slide right now.
Now move the rest I'll come like joke.
I feel 2 seconds and then I'm back like 3.
Oh, well,
Help me. There we go. Okay, now we can go. Ready? Ready. Go. Let's go.
Alright, we're gonna get back to part of this first before we try to slide. I guess we'll come to the one slide down there. I don't know where I'm sliding to. Oh, it's up on that camper was always give me airport. We're gonna go by some side. There we go. see something. Let me see my good there. I can't rock slippery now. Alright, try go over. Wait. Huh? Wait. Okay. Wait.
That's almost it.
Then you just reach over and relax. Here. We just slide go down. I mean, I know what it is. Here's a look deeper. Circle. You're right here. And then we'll go up there. Oh, your legs up. Oh, shit. Hold on. I want to bring it. Look at this, guys. Look at that. Over here, you can stand over here, come. Yeah. Make it smooth. Okay, so shallow. Alright, so let's go over this. Where's the camera? Where's the camera? Oh, you got it? Yeah. Alright, so let's go up. We don't know how over there is. Yeah, that means it has like a whirlpool underneath, and that's hard to swim out of. So you have like a girl. Yeah. Oh. So that's why I was like, stay over here.
Yeah, I'm not going over there.
Hey, you're short.
I'm very short.
You're short, so yeah. Oh, I get what's up, Padira. water to me, I told red. Ready for go eat car. Okay, I kill the dog. Okay, I kill the guy. So yeah, we're gonna show you food I eat though. But here is really nice. Now I have a number that you can reach me on. WhatsApp voice notes, no call. I'm going to put it at the end of the video because you guys have been really reaching out to me and telling me that I need to get a number so you guys can reach me on in case you want to come to river with me or just want to chat or whatever. So I'm going to add it to the end of this video. Look at me out there, Red. Okay. I'm just gonna begin. Mel is gonna share the food. Mackerel, tin mackerel.
Mackerel.
Mackerel. Krill. Thank you.
You're welcome. Good, it's good. If it's not good, they better tell me.
Okay. But it's really hard to spoil mackerel though. I don't think you can spoil it.
Well, you help me, so I think we should be good.
First taste test.
Oh gosh, Jesus Christ, please bless me. Okay. It smells good though. Start with that.
You have to put my mackerel on it.
Okay, hold on. Yeah, this is good.
Oh, come on. You did that.
Top chef. As our top chef.
I'm Miss Chef now. I'm not a traveler no more. I'm officially a cook. Okay?
Yeah.
Honey.
You do your thing, babe.
I'm my big one. Good.
To the person that recommended the mackerel rice, thank you so much.
Right. Thank you. Yo. That was a great recommendation. I don't know if like I'm cold and hungry, but this.
No, it's good for you.
Jesus.
Thank you so much. So we're gonna start pack up. Believe because the mosquito didn't come out all the way out. So yeah, we just start pack up the stuff them.
You gonna throw it at the fishes? Oh! Oh shoot, they see it, yeah.
So guys, we've come to the end of yet another video. Hope you liked it, hope you enjoyed every moment of it. So remember to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, like the video, share the video, and I want you to go over to the girls channel guys and show them some love. So go over Mel app.
Hi guys, come over to Mix Beauty Mel on YouTube and subscribe.
And
Me. Oh, to Travels ISA Travels. Come over and subscribe, and also subscribe to Sham. If you're here, please subscribe for more adventures here in Jamaica.
Okay, so what was your favorite thing so far in Jamaica?
Since I've been here,
Yeah.
honestly, the rivers. Like, I love the rivers
If
here.
you could take back 2 things, what would they be?
With me,
Yeah.
oh shoot, the food and the rivers, the water. I'm taking the food and the water. Can I,
Okay.
and like in the back pocket, I would take the people too.
Okay, so you guys, hope you like the video. My girl Isa mats up some mackerel rice as a top chef.
Yeah!
God, her arms gonna have no up on my girl. Alright guys, so bye. Mwah.
So when you decided to pick up your camera